Subha Bihane, good morning everybody. This is my second day in Barang village community. And yeah, I'm having a great time. People here are so friendly, like they'll give you whatever they have. They are just so warm, so nice. It's a monsoon here and it started raining at 4 o'clock in the morning. Until 8 it kept raining. I had no hope that the weather will get clear. But yeah, it's better now. Um, Also, today we have so many things to do. We will be taking interviews of the women here, and we'll be telling you about their stories, like what's their day like, what they like to do. Like, yeah, so basically everything about them. Um, Most of you are saying why you're not going here and there. Just wanted to let you know that I am not here to actually travel. Like I am here to travel, but mostly it's work. I'll tell you all about it soon. But today, yeah, we are going to take interviews, and then me and Tatiana, we will be going to a rice farm where we will be learning how to do rice farming. That's just me touching trees and rocks on my way. We stopped by to say hi to the school kids here. We were supposed to go to the rice farm there, but I guess we're gonna do it tomorrow. This is what the house looks like. That's Tatiana and Sushmita trying to shoot something. And let me show you something very interesting. So they have this whole type of situation here, so that the birds can go in. How cute is that? And not just here on this window, but they have these holes in a lot of places here, in a lot of windows. So this is the kitchen. Amma is making food for her husband. Amma, क्या बना रहे हो?
चावल
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 चावल भात
भात
भात.
I can never say no to what
So let me explain how the kitchen works here. So right here we have a modern kitchen. Amma has a very modern kitchen here. She has some onions that she got from her own farm. Then there's a sink. She has a slab where she keeps all her stuff. And there's a stove. And right there we have a homemade stove, you call it, right? In Hindi it's called chulha. इधर इसको क्या बोलते हैं? चूल्हा ही बोलते हैं. Okay. And this is, I think they just made ghee here. That's Tatiana enjoying her cucumber. She does not care what's happening. I have something to show you. I'm sure you've never seen anything like that in your life. This is such a huge cucumber. Wow, look at the size. Oh my god.
So today I have the opportunity and the beautiful time to spend with them here.
It started to rain. So yeah, I think we better rush now. Bye bye. Bye Ma. Dhanyavad.
अच्छे से जाइए.
We're going back to our homestay.
We are also going this house.
Okay. So we're gonna shoot?
Yeah.
Okay, alright. What is she doing?
I don't know. She's just cleaning the house. Or
Alright. Tatiana, will you be able to click more portraits today? Because I think the light is not Good?
Yeah, if it's rainy,
And it's raining, so we should, I think, go back to the homestay, and for the rest of the shoot, we'll come back. Okay?
you can come
All right.
Huh?
Yeah.
क्या
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
saying the roads are looking so beautiful.
Yeah, so beautiful. Your village is beautiful, and the people here are beautiful, and you are beautiful. We got this for somebody else, not for us. The place where we got Roxy yesterday, he did not take money from us, so we promised him that we will get him Coke. I think he really likes Coke. So yeah, we got this for him, and we're going up.
Couldn't do the photo, it was too close. Oh, the mosquito bill.
Just be careful.
Do interviews of Amma.
Yeah, I will do that. I will do that. For Amma, I have different questions. Yeah. Oh, look at this cutie.
Wow.
Whoa! Did you hear that? The thunder. Ooh. We better rush because it might rain again. We're gonna go give this Coke to Bhaiya and come back to our homestay. Yeah. Oh, oops. Thank you guys.
You are going with the
You saved me. So Bhaiya is not here. But they have a cat. Oh, hi. Oh, you remember me? Hi, cutie. Wait. She's very playful.
Is she hungry?
She won't stop biting.
Yeah.
No, she's not hungry. Oh, that was so
She
intimidating.
will can bite. Be careful. Yeah. The way she's
Ah,
staring.
the
Yeah.
stare.
Yeah, well, it's like my cat. I'm like I have experience with wild.
I also have a cat at home. You know, the funny thing is, her cat's name is Luna. My cat's name is also Luna.
Oh.
Yeah. It's time to say bye to Cutie. We'll see you again tomorrow, maybe. You want to eat it?
No.
Then what are you saying?
Editing.
Edited?
Yeah.
You want to learn how to edit?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I can teach you.
I go. What are you doing? Yeah, just
Talking about the days and the problems. I don't want to do that. I want to do that. Everyone has all problems.
I didn't know Tatiana is so talented. Wow, she just made this roti. I was surprised. I was just telling Amma, how come you made roti today? And she was like, that's not me, that's Tatiana. Wow. Guys, I was trying to sleep and see what I just saw. I don't know what to do right now. Bro, please just go back and sleep and let me sleep. I hate spiders. Oh, wait. He actually listened to me. He's going back. Wow. I think I am a nature's child. Wow. Am I a fairy? Insects are listening to me. He's gone. Thank you for watching. Bye.